Hi, I'm Dr. Nupur, a yoga trainer and a fitness enthusiast. Today, I'm going to share some easy exercises to build your core muscles, all using a chair as a prop. Using props for exercises provides assistance and trains the body to do movements more effectively. Worried about your protruding belly and you have a full-time sitting job? You can do these simple yet effective exercises just using a chair and burn the fat from your belly. Each exercise will be done in counts of 10. Let's start. Slow mountain climbers. Keep the back straight and core engaged. Bring the knees close to your chest. Legs in and out. Bring your feet close to the legs of the chair, one at a time. Plank jacks. Jump to open the legs and bring them together. Repeat for 10 counts. Easy bird dog. Raise the opposite arm and leg. Keep your core engaged throughout. Opposite toe touch. Keeping the feet wide, touch the opposite toes for 10 counts on each side. Plank hold. Keep the spine and hips in one line and hold for 10 seconds. Reverse plank hold. Balancing on the chair, hold a reverse plank for 10 seconds. Don't forget to engage your core. Now repeat all the 7 exercises for another round and you are done. Feel the abs activated. Follow Girls Buzz for more such videos.